Hello everyone. So this is a very quick video regarding HSK exam in India. I get a lot of inquiries about that, so I thought I'll just make a quick video so that you can so that I can provide entire information about HSK exam. So HSK exam in India, we have a paper-based test. We don't have online test. And there is only one center in India, which is in Mumbai. The HSK dates for this year, as of now, is one exam is happening on October 18th, which will be HSK level 3 and HSK level 4. And for that, registration will open on September 1st. The next exam is happening on November 15th, which will be HSK level 1 and HSK level 2. And for that, registration will start from October 1st. Okay, but these dates are subject to change. Sometimes they do change. Once they open the registration, you have to go to the website, which is www.chinesetest.cn, and you can register yourself. But if you go and log in into the website now and look for India Center, you will not find India Center because it will open only once they open the registration as per the date. That is 1st September or 1st October. So once you register for your exam, depending on which level you want to give, you will get a confirmation from the test center. Contact test center, pay the fees. Okay, the HSK exam fees you have to pay to the test center. And once you have paid the fees, then only your seat will be confirmed. Okay. Now regarding the fees, how much fees for each level, there is a separate video. I'll share the link in the description below. I'll also share the link of this website where you can register. So once you have paid the fees, your seat will be reserved. So once you pay the fees, your seat will be blocked and then your confirmation for the exam will be done. Okay, if you have just registered and not paid the fees, your seat will not be reserved. So that's a very important part. They have very limited seats. So once the registration opens, so please go to the website, register and follow up with the test center to confirm your seat. I think that's all about this HSK exam. The links related to the website where you can register, the links related to the video related to the HSK exam fees, I will be sharing in the description below. And please do follow our Instagram page and our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel because as and when any information comes related to HSK exams or anything related to Chinese language, I'll keep on updating new posts or new videos related to that. So please do follow that. The links for that will be given in the description below. So that's it regarding the HSK exam. I hope you got all the information. I do have other videos also based on HSK level 1, HSK level 2. So do explore our YouTube channel to see that. That's it. 谢谢你们. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our content, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. 谢谢你们. Thank you.